Question 3, solve 1,863 divided by 4 using the box or area method. Again, I'm going to use the box method. That's how the image with the question is set up. If you want to scroll back or hit the back button and go to that, you can kind of see how I'm filling in those blanks they created. So I'm starting with my dividend of 1,863 inside of the box and 4, my divisor, outside. I'm going to start on the far left side. 1 is less than 4. I'm not even going to work with that number. I'm going to go straight next door. 18. What is the closest multiple of 4 to 18 without going over? Well, that's 16. And to get there, we multiply 4 by 4. To fill the rest of this number in, I'm going to use zeros. Then those zeros also need to come up top to show that 400 times 4 gives us 1,600. Now I'm ready to subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. And 1 minus 1 is 0. Make my next box. I'm going to bring up my 263. I'm going to start with my 2. 2 is less than 4, so I'm going to go ahead and move next door. 26. The closest multiple of 4 to 26 without going over is 24. And to get that number, I multiply 4 by 6. To finish this guy up, I need to put a 0 down here, so I'll also put that 0 up top. That shows that 60 times 4 gave me 240. We'll subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. In the box next door, I'm going to bring 23. Start with 2. 2 is less than 4, so I need to use the neighbor. Now I'm at 23. The closest multiple of 4 to 23 would be 20. And that's found by multiplying 5 by 4. No other number over here needs a buddy, so I'm not going to add any zeros this time because 5 times 4 equals 20 on its own. So when I subtract, I'm left with 3. 3 is less than 4, so rather than making a new box, I know that that is my remainder. I'm going to go ahead and write that guy over here. To find the rest of my answer, I'm going to add the components up top. 400 plus 60 plus 5 give me 465. And then I've got my remainder 3. So 1,863 divided by 4 gives you a quotient of 465, remainder 3.